Hi guys, today we will be solving the Geeks for Geeks weekly coding contest, and I am recording this video live in the contest. So also I need to go to have my dinner, and I have food deficient, so I can't leave my dinner due to contest. So I may like pause the video in between and then continue after having my dinner. So let's try. If I can make all the three questions by 7:30, then it's well and good. Otherwise, I will continue later. And we have like contest is starting in just 10 to 12 seconds. Let me see if my audio is good or not. I can increase it somewhere. Hello, I think it should be fine now. Yeah, now we can start. Okay, go to contest. Where is the problems? Array game. So we are playing an array game in which we are given two arrays, ARR and BRR, each of size n. Each array is a permutation of n possible integers. In one operation, you can perform either of the following two steps: rotate the array anti-clockwise, remove the first element from both of the arrays if they are same. Okay, and what are the constants? Friends are pretty less. So find the minimum number of operations required to make both of the arrays. Age empty. Okay. So what we can do here is, let's define a and b only, and say int op equal to 0, and then we will have say int pointer equal to 0, and say pointer 1 and pointer 2 equal to 0, and while pointer 2 is less than n, and while a of pointer 1 is not equal to b of pointer 2, pointer 1 plus plus and pointer 1 mod equal to n. Okay, now id feels low or what? I think id is slow only. Yeah, so now we will be increasing pointer 1 plus plus and pointer 2 plus plus, and this would be obviously modded 1 plus mod equal to n, and also here we will be making op plus plus, and here op plus plus, p plus plus, and I guess we can return op. Let's see if this works. Okay, so we are returning 6 and the answer is 5. Okay, so okay, one operation, then 2, and then okay. Also we will be taking boolean removed, and removed equal to new boolean n. So if not removed, then only I need to count it. Pointer 1. Okay, I will do it here. Okay, and here I will be making removed of pointer 1 equal to true. Why my laptop is heating like anything? It is heating. Anyways, I think that's due to the recording thing. So it's processing result, and yeah, first question has been passed. So, and in the second question, what we have to do, given an array n of n elements in one operation, you can select any subarray of length 2 and multiply all elements of that subarray by -1. You can do any number of times, possibly 0. Your task is to maximize the sum of all elements of all sum of all elements of all subarrays of a. Okay, so we have do we need to count all possible? Okay, we need to maximize the sum, and to maximize the sum, what can we do? maybe like making the negatives a positive thing also. Okay, let's see this third question till then. You are given the heights when elements whose ith element denotes the height of the ith building. Geeks like to jump from one of the building to another. He only jumps to the next taller building and stops when he reaches the tallest building. The energy required in this is XOR of all the elements of the heights on which Geek will jump until he stops. Geek can start his journey from any building. Find the maximum energy required before he starts. Okay, so if he starts from building 1, then 3 to 4 and 4 to 5 and 5 to 6, the answer would be 4. Okay, and let's say if he starts from maybe from 1, then 1 to 4, then 4 to 5, then 6. The answer would be definitely 6. Okay. And if he starts from building 3, then answer would be 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. So can elements be same? Next taller building, so we can say that same elements do not mean anything. Okay, laptop is heating and also I need to go. Okay, let's try to solve this question. So what will I make? A tree map of type integer and integer. TM of new tree map and int dp of new n. Okay, and for int I equal to n minus 1, I less than minus 1, I minus minus. Okay, id feels some very like laggy, so I will just check integer key equal to tm dot hierarchy of this I. Okay, so if key is null, then what we will do, we will make dp of I equal to a of I, and otherwise dp of I equal to ai xor with dp of t. Okay, tm dot get key, and we will put tm dot put a of I comma I. We can return dp. Okay, and we need to return the minimum one, na? So let's say minimum one or maximum one. So 4 6 7 3 6. Okay, maximum one. Max equal to max dot max dp of I and return max. I guess this should also work. Okay, let's try to submit it. Okay, it do not work for this particular test case. Hierarchy we are checking. XOR of all the elements until we can go. Okay, if no higher element is there, the XOR would be same only, and if there exists a higher element, then we should go there, no? We should go there. And so a of I. Okay, for this particular test case, what I will do, I will try to print everything. Okay, I will be printing system.out.println key. Okay, ai plus ai. Why my laptop is hitting like anything? Plus key and okay, plus key only, and say yeah, till key it will be fine. And also for in x and dp system.out.print x, system.out.println. Okay, anyways, my contest is completely ruined because you can say that I made a wrong submission which costed me some penalty at least. So there is no point to continue the contest until okay. So for index 9 we have 4, we have no greater element. For 7 we have no greater element, and for 6 we have a greater element. So 6 XOR 7, it is indeed 1. Then for 15 we have no greater element, so it is 15. And for 1 we have for 1 we should go to the next greater element, not the greater element to 1. Next greater. Okay, so this system would not work here. Instead I have int right, so right of I equal to n, sorry, right of n minus 1 will be equal to n. For int I equal to n minus 2 till I less than I greater than minus 1, it is j equal to right of j I plus 1, and while j is less than n, and a of j is smaller than equal to a of I, j equal to right of j, and this would be I plus 1, not say this thing, and right of I would be nothing but j. Okay, now this key would be right of I, and this key will be n, and this should be nothing, and I guess we are done. Mm-hmm. 71. This would be the P of key only. Okay, yeah, now we are doing something good. This submission should work now. Okay, and going for the second one, in one operation you can select any subarray, blend to and multiply all elements of that subarray by minus 1. You can do any number of operations, possibly 0. So what will be the best thing to do here? So can we make every element positive? We can try to do so. Say the size, okay, except one element we can always do, in the worst case obviously. Okay, so let's say there are no negative elements, then what we can do is to return the sum obviously, and in case there are negative elements I will find the least absolute in terms of absolute, least element, and then subtract that one. Okay, but we need to return the sum of all elements of all sub-array. Okay, so the ones whose contribution is minimum, I will find that one. Let's try to do it. I have very few minutes left because I need to leave. So long. Okay. So boolean bool equal to true for x and a. If x is less than 0, bool equal to false. And if bool is true, we need to find the sum of all the subarrays. So in how many subarrays this element will be, so here defining long sum equal to 0, sum plus equal to I plus 1 into 1l into n minus I believe, into a of I obviously. In those many subarrays it will be now. So let's say this one is there, index 1 to 2 and 3 minus 1 2, 4 subarrays, 1 2 3 4, yeah, it's fine. And we can return sum. In the other case we need to do something. We need to find, okay, let this sum be out. We obviously need to find the sum, and if bool is there we will directly returning the sum, and in case bool is not true, means it consists negative element. And since okay, long min equal to say long that max value, we will lose all these things again. Say long temp, and min will be mat dot min of min comma temp, and we will be returning sum minus 2 cross temp. I guess this should work. Okay. It should be mat dot abs, and here also mat dot abs. Okay, it should be min. Yeah, so let's try to submit it. Why it is processing so much? Okay, it failed. It failed because my coded output is 0 in that case. Why? Okay, if there are negative elements, then I am taking, okay, sum will be anyways 1 into 2 minus 0, so 2 into, okay, let's print it. I know this contest is completely ruined for my end. Anyways, I will think whether to post this on YouTube or not. So the sum should be, I guess, 4 4 8 and 8 16. Yeah, it is 16, and then min will be okay. Okay, or let's say if we have even number, like even sized sub-array, then can we do this? Either there are no negatives or there are even, it is even sized sub-array. No. Or say int neg equal to 0, and if a of I less than 0, neg plus plus, if negatives are even. And can we do that? Yeah, then we can do that. Okay, so I know like the contest is ruined. We can we see leaderboard? No. Yeah, that's all for the okay, it is showing one unsolved. Where all three are solved now. This one is unsolved. I have submitted it, bro. It is showing, yeah, it is solved. I don't know, let's try to submit it again. I think the video is pretty much evidence that I have submitted it. Yeah, again still it is same. So let's see good feedback. Okay, can we refresh that? Yeah. Oh no, I am one. Okay, someone will obviously get 100 here because I have made some wrong submissions also. Okay, thanks for joining in. If anybody joined, bye.